time for some fun facts and tips and tricks for the week. Every week I'll be uploading number of videos in between which are short and spicy, and we'll talk about some interesting fun facts, shortcuts, tricks and tips which will make your life easier as you work on Excel. So stay tuned for these kind of videos, and always do like and subscribe whenever you like the content on the videos. It's time for tip number 1. Selection of an entire sheet. Selection of an entire sheet can be done by clicking on the left corner where you can see this triangle symbol, and just clicking on it, the entire sheet gets selected. You can format the entire sheet just after selecting this particular triangle selection on the left. Whether you want to set the entire data set to the center of a cell, or you want to left align any particular text toward the entire sheet, the content, if you want to change the font size, or their formatting settings towards the entire sheet, that can be done by clicking on the left handle or the left triangle mentioned on the left side below the name box. Remember, below the name box you can use this setting for modifying the entire sheet. Whereas there is one more shortcut that we often use called as Ctrl+A. Many of the students have been asking me, can Ctrl+A be used to select the entire sheet? Yes, obviously it can be used to select the entire sheet, but your sheet has to be empty. It doesn't need to contain any particular value. That is the time when Ctrl+A works more efficiently. The moment you start adding data to the sheet, remember that Excel is a relatively linked database, that is, it's an RDBMS format. So any kind of data on the sheet restricts and creates bounds within the data set, and hence Excel or any shortcut like Ctrl+A will not be able to recognize whether Ctrl+A is meant for the entire sheet or it is meant for that particular bound itself. Hence, while performing Ctrl+A on that particular selection, it will go and select the bound till the data is present. For instance, in this case, I'm going to click on cell A1 and press Ctrl+A. It is not going to select the entire sheet in this case, but it is going to select the data till the data last column of that particular data is present in the cell. That is, in this case, column number or cell number C10. If I go and select from the value D over here, you can see the data is now selecting the entire sheet. Now you have to be smart enough to recognize from where you will be selecting the data from the entire sheet. If you go and select anywhere from toward the left hand side of the data, it is going to select till the data is bound within the data set. Anywhere towards the right, it is going to go and select the entire sheet. So hope you like this particular trick. This fun fact number 1 video. Do like and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon, and do stay home and stay safe.
Thank you.